for it to quick start.
Are you guys ready?
Yes. On the conduct of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, with respect to the forthcoming governorship rerun election in Adamawa State. From credible information available to our party, INEC is stoking a breakdown of law and order in Adamawa State with the continued stay in office of Malam Hudu Yunusa Ari as Adamawa State Resident Electoral Commissioner, in spite of his alleged complicity in the plots to manipulate the outcome of the governorship election in the state, even with PDP's clear lead of 31,299 lawful votes in the election. It is provocative and unacceptable that INEC retained Malam Yunusa Ari to conduct the April 15, 2023 governorship rerun election, despite reportedly being caught on tape directing the electoral officer of Fufure local government area of Adamawa State in Hausa language to alter election results in favor of the defeated governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Senator Aisha Binani. The continued stay of Malam Yunusa Ari in the face of widespread outcry by the people of Adamawa State amounts to pushing the people off to the wall and daring them to do their worst. The PDP dismisses the lame denial of the leaked audio tape by the exposed INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner. The basis for recusal by an umpire is the accusation of likelihood of bias. In this case, apart from the accusation, there is audio evidence against Malam Yunusa Ari, and he cannot by any standard superintend over the Adamawa governorship rerun election without widespread suspicion of his actions. The situation around the embattled INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner is worsened by allegations of similar instruction to electoral officers in some other local government areas of the state to manipulate the results of the election. In view of these grave allegations and evidence of audio tape already in the public domain, Malam Yunusa Ari should immediately recuse himself from superintending and or conducting the rerun governorship election in Adamawa State on April 15, 2023. Malam Yunusa Ari must leave Adamawa State and must not conduct that election because of these allegations. The PDP invites Nigerians to note that INEC relieved the Resident Electoral Commissioner in Sokoto State, Dr. Nura Ali, over allegations of irregularities in the conduct of the just concluded election in that state. There is therefore no justification for the continued stay of Malam Yunusa Ari as Resident Electoral Commissioner in Adamawa State in the face of these grave allegations, except for sinister reasons. Nigerians can recall also that the Adamawa State INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner was also accused of being at the center of the failed attempt to move the collation of results of the Adamawa State governorship election from Yola to Abuja to enable the INEC returning officer declare the defeated APC candidate as the winner, a move that was firmly resisted by the people of Adamawa State. The PDP cautions that the people of Adamawa State will never surrender their mandate to these reprehensible plots to manipulate the outcome of the rerun governorship election in the state. The continued stay of Malam Yunusa Ari as INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner in Adamawa State is heightening tension, and it is capable of disrupting the peace for which the state is known. The PDP therefore demands that the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, immediately remove Malam Yunusa Ari as Resident Electoral Commissioner in Adamawa State. Malam Yunusa Ari has clearly become partisan. He has descended into the arena by allegedly taking side with the APC, a political party in contest, to the extent of directing electoral officers to manipulate elections in favor of the APC candidate. On our part, the PDP will say that it is firmly on ground in Adamawa State. Our party and candidate, Governor Amadu Umaru Fintiri, are in clear lead, and we are ready for the rerun election in the 69 polling units already announced by the INEC returning officer. The PDP once again calls on the people of Adamawa State, our teaming members and supporters, to remain calm but very vigilant in resisting the APC and its candidate, who are desperate to steal the Adamawa State governorship mandate for their parochial interest against the will of the people. I thank you very much for listening. God bless Nigeria. Issues about the person, about the character, about the integrity of the Resident Electoral Commissioner. And if he has been found the way he has been caught, he was caught red-handed in that audio tape, even though there was a lame excuse of it not being true. But again, we know, and he knows that that's the truth. So we have written, and we respect, this is very important, and I thank you for this question. It is important for INEC to be sensitive and to be responsive to political parties, to Nigerians, when we make observation. This is one clear observation. It was done in Sokoto, and I understand the rec there was suspended for malpractices, allegation. In this case, apart from the allegation, we have audio evidence, and that makes it more compelling to remove him now, so that he does not superintend over that election on April 15.